Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I varnish all of my pieces. So the first thing you want to do is you want to wipe the piece off with rubbing alcohol really well. And the varnish I will be using is Liquitex Gloss varnish. I use this straight out of the bottle. I don't dilute it at all. And then I pour it all over the whole canvas, and then I tilt it out all over the canvas. Don't forget to get your edges really well. And then our next step is to torch all of our air bubbles. You want to be very, very careful. I have burnt the varnish before because it burns very easily. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's this bubble right here and it's not wanting to pop at all. You have to be very careful and torch differently than you would acrylic paint. And it's normal for it to look cloudy, you guys. You want it to look cloudy and it will dry clear. I promise it will dry clear. Okay, now you want to make sure your edges are beautiful and even because it's gonna dry however it is on the canvas basically. It doesn't have to be like 110% perfect, you guys, but you want to try to get it as close as you can. And if you make mistakes and mess up, that's okay, you guys, because I'm gonna put on more layers, and basically once I put those on, you won't see whatever mistakes were on the bottom layer. Always remove your gloves if you're gonna handle a tool, especially if they're covered in varnish. The varnish will ruin tools. It's very, very sticky. I've noticed you have to torch a lot differently than you would acrylic paint. You cannot leave the torch over the same surface area for too long. The last thing I do is I take one of these tools. I think it's a skewer for like barbecuing, and I get any dust and debris that may have landed on the varnish. You want to get that out. But yeah, this is the way I like to varnish my paintings, you guys. I like to uncomplicate everything, you guys, and with this way I don't really have to think about brush marks or any sponge lines or anything like that. This just works the best for me. And then what I always do, you guys, is I always put clean plastic under where I'm varnishing, so all that extra varnish I will scrape up when I'm done, and it does not get wasted at all. I strain it and then I reuse it. And I like the look that this way gives. I've tried many different ways over the years, and this way almost gives like a resin type of look. It's not exactly resin, but it's very close kind of look. And then you guys, please make sure you varnish your paintings whichever way you like. You have to do it the way for the look that you like. Don't look at how I do it or other people do it. Do it the way you like it. And then what you want to do is you want to wait for this to dry completely. I usually wait overnight, but on the bottle it says at least 3 hours. So and then after you let it dry completely, you want to do 2 to 3 more layers. I usually do 2 or 3. I kind of just have to look at it and see how it looks, and then I know if I want to do more or not. Okay, you guys, so here it is looking all beautiful. It's not dry yet or anything, you guys, but I'll just take you down and show you a little bit here. So you want it to be cloudy, you guys. You see the cloudy look over it. I hope you can tell. But if you're getting that when you're varnishing your pieces, that's good. You want that. So it's looking beautiful so far. So these usually don't take too long to dry. The varnish dries very quickly, and then I'm gonna do probably two more layers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.